Hello guys, welcome back to Pathology by Ranjitaya YouTube channel. So here I'm going to give a brief demo of what exactly you will get when you subscribe to the Pathology PG residency program. So what I've done here is a collection and an amalgamation of an entire list of slides of cytopathology, histopathology as well as hematology. So we have improved and upgraded a thing with descriptions of these as well. So if you click onto salivary gland cytology, there's an explanation of arsenic cell carcinoma. This is not how exactly it looks in the app. There's an admin panel, so it looks a little bit differently, right? So if you look at this, you will have the exact finding of what you're going to see. You can read through it. Let's say there's an diagnostic acinar-like cells, which will be seen in arsenic cell carcinoma of the salivary gland, and you have round nuclei, tiny nucleoli. It might form small groups, sometimes individual clusters, and also have naked bad nuclei. This extract is mostly from COS cytopathology book or oral or CBAS. These are the standard books in cytopathology which being followed throughout the world. So these are extracts from them. Not just that, below every diagnosis you have quite a few digital slides. If you click into it, it goes into a digital slide where you can easily view them as well. It's a normal slide which is completely digitized. Now if you look at arsenic cell carcinoma, what you're exactly going to see here is, look at this. You can go to 2, 4, 10, 20 and 40x. This is a classical image of arsenic cell carcinoma. Like what you read in the description, you can see that you can have individual cells or forming small clusters or having a monolayered cluster of cell as well. If you carefully look at the description, we'll go back to the description. Stripped or bad nuclei may be present in the background, which might mimic lymphocytes, can be there. And whenever you look at the cells, they are large but morphologically resemble the normal arsenic cells, abundantly finely vacuolated to granular cytoplasm. Look at this. Abundant, finely vacuolated granular cytoplasm. If it is a stripped nuclei, look at this part. Does it look like a lymphocyte? It does look like a lymphocyte. You can go to 40x, you can magnify, very hardly any nucleoli. Exactly what you read and you can see them. This is the best way to study pathology. I am very excited that PathoCubs has everything required for every pathology aspirant across the world to learn and to excel pathology. If you have any more comments, please put in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to clarify your comments. See you soon. Till then, bye-bye from Dr. Ranjit. Bye-bye.